Hello guys, so if you're looking to open a Webull account, so if that's the case, you're from the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly go to your App Store or Play Store and download the application. After that, enter your email address that you want to sign up with, then click next. Then it will send a verification code onto your email, so enter that verification code, then hit OK. Now, just simply set a password and re-enter that password and click on sign up. Now, after your account is open, all you have to do is just simply click on open account at the middle bar. Now after your account is made, just simply click on open account at the bottom bar. Then again, you will find open account, click on that. So after you do that, you will find that your account verification is only 5% complete. So click on continue. Now over here, what you will do is just simply scan some details for identity. So for example, you can choose anything like driver's license. So click on the plus icon for scanning, then take a photo, or if you have the photo in gallery, you can choose that as well. So click on it, then take a photo, and after you're done with that, enter some of your personal details over here, as you can see. So enter all of them, then scroll down and click continue. Now after that, you have to enter your employment information, so enter all of that as well. Now also mention which type of business that you work in, so it will be asked, so enter that as well. You have to also enter the name of the employer that you are working for, so keep that in mind. Now after doing all of that, you will come to affiliation page. So over here you will have 3 questions. So if you are able to answer any of them, just simply answer them, but for 90% of the people these are mostly negatives, so don't worry if you are unable to answer, just simply click on continue. Now after that, in the account type, you have to select what type of account you want, like margin, cash, so choose your preferred account. Now, if you also want to trade in crypto, just simply select the option down below, which is apply to crypto trading. After that, just simply check the box and click continue. Now over here you have to add a signature, so click on sign to site. Now after that, over here you have to add some signature of yours, so just simply click to sign signature, and add a simple signature and click on save and continue. Then it will ask for an email verification, so enter your email address, then click on get the code, then you will receive the code. So copy the code and paste it. So just simply copy the code and verify your account, and after that it's all done. So that's it. Now your Webull account is made. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.